All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. My bad. So this is actually the intro to my second channel. Like I've been saying on my main channel, I want to go ahead and basically make the second channel so I can go ahead and post more random things, more short videos, like 3-minute, 5-minute, kind of 6-minute videos, maybe some 10s here and there, but it's mainly so I keep the main channel uncluttered, basically. So that way I can stay like focused on making more vlog style videos on the main channel. So we have the GT500. I've been kind of waiting to start this channel until I had this car, basically, so I could focus the main channel mostly on the GT500, as well as maybe the rebuilds and so forth, like that stuff, making it all more vlog style, but at the same time basically taking that content that I'm using and making it more direct, such as if I was taking out the seats, like for an example, then I would make a how-to on that, and that how-to would probably be like 2-3 minutes. So again, just trying to get it really focused. We have Estrella back here just chilling, my little supporter. So what's to come for more an example to get more a little bit in depth in it? Like we have the Shelby GT500 right here. What we're gonna go ahead and do is say we wanna make a stock exhaust video, which is something that I'm gonna be doing a lot. So I'll make a stock exhaust video. That's probably gonna be like 2-3 minutes. So basically stuff like that. Again, just go ahead and, so for an example, we're gonna go ahead and make a stock exhaust video on the GT500. So that way, you know, if anyone wants to search it up, there you go. You have a stock exhaust. If anyone wants to know how it sounds, we'll probably do something more on the whine once we actually open up the whine and basically, because right now with the stock intake, it is very, very quiet. It's just like choking the freaking motor, basically. It's not allowing the air to get in, so you really don't hear that much of a whine with the stock one. But another example is going to be, like, we already created a video for this one when I did the other video on my main channel with the SS. We have a stock exhaust video that I haven't uploaded yet, that it's going to go onto this channel, and a couple other things that I already have videos basically made for this channel. I just wanted to go ahead and make the intro before I do that. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the future. Really appreciate all your guys' support.